Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are here to talk about the Mueller Ultra Bullet Personal Blender, a sleek and compact blender that promises to revolutionize the way you blend your smoothies, shakes, and other favorite drinks. In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at this blender, its features, and why it is a must-have for anyone looking for a versatile and high-performance blender. First, let's talk about its design. The Mueller Ultra Bullet Personal Blender is a beautifully designed, compact blender that fits easily on your kitchen countertop. Its slim profile makes it perfect for small kitchens or for those who prefer a minimalist look. Next, let's talk about its performance. The Mueller Ultra Bullet Personal Blender boasts a powerful 500-watt motor that can easily blend even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're blending frozen fruits, nuts, or ice, this blender can handle it all. One of the unique features of this blender is its 20,000 RPM speed. This allows the blender to easily break down ingredients and create a smooth and consistent blend every time. No more chunks of fruit or ice in your smoothie. Another great feature of the Mueller Ultra Bullet Personal Blender is its versatility. It comes with two different sized cups, 18 ounces and 24 ounces, and two different lids, one for drinking and one for storage, making it perfect for on-the-go use. You can easily take your favorite drink with you wherever you go. Overall, we highly recommend the Mueller Ultra Bullet Personal Blender. Its sleek design, powerful motor, and versatile features make it a top-performing blender that will make your life easier and your drinks tastier. Whether you're looking to make smoothies, shakes, or other drinks, this blender is up to the task. So what are you waiting for? Get yours today and start blending. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.